Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, my e-tender consultant Ravi. In my last video, I have given a little information about my e-tender consultancy services and training that has been imparted by myself to the bidders and contractors who participate in government e-tenders and submit their bid online. I am happy to inform you that I received many inquiries from your side about my consultancy services and training, and I have been providing this training for 1 month of durations, which is weekly 2 days training, and it is basically an online training where you would be going to get training through Skype or Microsoft Teams apps. And as you know, government e-tender portals, whether it is central, state, PSUs, and many private partners that has been implementing e-procurement solution to government departments are quite difficult to understand and navigate through. So bidders and contractors and proprietors, partners, bid managers, entrepreneurs get difficulties while uploading their bids online, and they found it is very difficult to navigate through, and they commit uncertain mistakes while submitting bids even after they have been providing all the details, all the required documents, uploading the documents, but due to some a little error, they have been not getting qualified in technical bids. There must be some kind of mismatches, some kind of difficulties while submitting bid online. It has been found in my analysis that many people do not know how to participate, how to submit bid online. So it is a quite good chance for the bidders, contractors, bid managers, entrepreneurs to learn these basic skills, technical skills for submission of bid online. Central government, state governments, PSUs, e-tender portals are little difficult, and first time the person who is going to submit bid online first time do not know how to arrange all the things, and he goes for the people who submit their bid, and they are doing the job of bid submissions for many people. There is a very high chances that that person knows the rates of the bid which has been submitting by many bidders by him, and that could be cause of concern for the bidder who do not know how to submit bid by himself online. So there is a chance that there is his bid quoted rate is not secure, and it is a good chance that he can learn by himself and submit his bid by himself. And another thing, uh, as you know, it is portals, central governments, state governments, PSUs, municipal bodies, and other GEM, government e-marketplace portal, where bidder do their listing of their products, services, and bid to receive the tender or get award by the concerned authority for that particular tender. It is a new technology. It is a new medium for procurement solutions, e-procurement solutions for suppliers as well as the buyers. So also I provide consultancy services in this also. And for my profile, as per my profile, you can check on my website, and you could get my profile about my work experience, where I have shown that I working as a e-procurement consultant or e-procurement executive. I had implemented more than 5-6 government as well as state governments departments e-procurement solutions uh, while working with an organizations. After that, I have started my own consultancy services. So it is better for you. And my experience and my analysis found that the companies who have been implementing e-procurement solutions, they does not have proper help desks and proper technical team. So bidder get lots of difficulties, lots of misconceptions, lots of what can I say, confusions while submitting the bids, because many department have been changing their portals time to time. And they do not know how to operate, how the preliminary requirement of the portals, how to get equipped with Java settings, how to get digital signature certificate, and how to get registered their organizations or their company on that portals. So it is a service, it is a good service for you. And you can call me on my numbers or WhatsApp numbers, whatever I have given on my portals or my website. And it is not bound to any geographical locations. You can call me from any part of my country, whether it is east, west, north, south, even overseas. The bidder who participate in Indian government tenders, they can also call me from their locations, and I am able to provide you training as per your geographical locations time to our location, Indian location time. And how you will get your digital signatures for Indian tenders, how will you participate in that tenders. I am ready to help you. And however small, and what are the nature of requirements, uh, I'm ready to help you out. So do not hesitate that you will not get training. You belong to some other states, you belong to some other part of countries, you belong to some other countries, it means from overseas. And so it is better chance, and you will be get all the consultancy from my sides and all the details about the tenders. And I will make you understand, I will make you help you out in such a way that you will get confidence by submitting your bid online. And you will be able to uh, know how to submit your bid time to time. Even after getting the training, if you are getting any kind of difficulties, I am ready to help you out. Suppose you are suppose you are facing any kind of problem while submitting your bid after my training, also I am there for there to help you out. And good chance, it is a quite good chance for you. So do not hesitate to call me. You will get the service and you will get confidence while submitting your bid. So that's all in this video. And thank you for your time watching my video. And wait for my next video.